I'm going to learn you how to adapt to DaVinci Resolve when you're switching from another software, or even when you're completely new to editing. This way, you create a new project. The first step, which is important, is change our project settings. Click on the cogwheel icon. Here, you need to choose your resolution and frame rate. Click Save. Now, you need to have some organization on your computer. Here, in Superball_DaVinci tutorial, I created 3 folders. One with my footage, one with a song, and one with some sound effects. Step 2 is to import your files with the same structure as on your computer, as this method goes the fastest. So here, in the media page, you can see the same folders as on your computer. Here, we can find Superball_DaVinci tutorial. Just right-click, and select Add Folder and Subfolders into Media Pool, Create Bins. This will import everything with the same structure as on your PC. So, here, we can find the footage. This is the edit page. To use this, it's important to define some shortcuts, as this will make you edit 10 times faster. So step 3, setting up shortcuts. Here, in DaVinci Resolve Keyboard Customization, you can customize all shortcuts. You can find a text file with my shortcuts in the video description, and you can download this for free. All you need to do is click these 3 dots, Import Preset, and open the text file. Then you'll have the same shortcuts as in this tutorial. Step 4, make a timeline. On a timeline, or also named sequence, we can make an edit. Click this icon. Display stacked timelines. Now, go to your main folder. Right-click here. Create a new bin. Name it Sequence, or something else. Go inside the folder. Right-click. Timelines. Create new timeline. Give it a name, and click Create. Now, this is our edit timeline. Here, you can find your footage. You can drag and drop this to your edit timeline. If you have unwanted audio, hold down Alt or Option, select this audio, and click Backspace to delete it. You can also drag and drop audio to your edit timeline when you want to. This here is a song from Upbeat, which is linked in the video description. Now, let's go to step 5. In step 3, you set up shortcuts. Now, in step 5, you'll learn to understand and how to use them. I'll show each important shortcut, one by one. On a Mac, Control is equivalent to Command, and Alt is equivalent to Option. So, here they come. Backspace to delete a clip. Hold down Shift plus scroll middle mouse to zoom in or out vertically. Hold down Alt plus scroll middle mouse to zoom in or out horizontally. Control plus scroll middle mouse to navigate horizontally. Press the caret key to trim start. Press the dollar key to trim end. Press the key 2 to ripple start to play head. This is the same as trim start, but the gap closes. Press the key 3 to ripple end to play head. This is the same as trim end, but the gap closes. Control plus A to select all clips. Press the key H to delete the gaps, and these are the most important shortcuts. Step 6, color grade clips. DaVinci Resolve is known for its color grading. Here, you can find the color grading tab. On this page, you can modify the colors of your clips. This is a node, and on this here, you can bring adjustments. With my text file inserted, there are 3 important shortcuts as well. S to add a serial node. D to disable or enable a selected node, and E to label or name a selected node. It will get clear what this means. So, here, you can for example change your white balance. With E, you can give it a name like warmer, and then you can make the colors warmer. With S or right-click. Add node. Add serial. You can make an extra node, where you can apply other adjustments. With this node selected, you can for example change the contrast here. With D, you can disable or enable the selected node. You can try out all functions. Something a lot of video editors do is add vignettes. I'll show you how. Add a new node. Optionally name it vignette. Now, go to this tab. Click on this icon. Now, you have a circle that you can drag to the width of your subject. This here is the feather. Click on this icon to invert. Now, on this node, adjustments will only be applied to the outsides of the circle, so if you go to the color wheels, you can drag the offset down, and then your subject will stand out more. So with everything together, you can make huge adjustments. Step 7, optionally use plugins. Add a new node, and name it Dehancer. I'll go to Effects. And here, I can find Dehancer. Dehancer is a paid plugin that extends your color grading functions. You can currently download and try it for free, and once installed, you'll get a lot of extra options. You can, for example, change the shadow's tone. Or you can add halation that you can customize as well. And there are many more sliders. If you're convinced to purchase this product, you can use the promo code TIM20 for 10% off. Step 8, add video transitions. Here, you can find a lot of built-ins. So, let's add a transition here. If we want to add a cross dissolve, for example, we can't drag it to the middle, because these clips are not trimmed. So there is no invisible information. So, let's trim and start these clips. And now, you can easily add a transition. Step 9, use effects. In the Open Effects, you can find DaVinci Resolve's effects. If you drag and drop those, some will give a notification that they are only available in the paid version. If you only want to use free effects, you can click Not Yet, and delete this effect. There are a lot of free effects as well, that you can drag and drop to your clip, like Zoom Blur for example. Step 10, use adjustment clips. It's also a great idea to explain adjustment clips, as these will speed up your workflow a lot. On the Edit page, search for adjustment clip. Make sure you're in the toolbox. And drag this clip on top of your video footage. Stretch it out, so that it covers everything. Now, in the color grading, you can see the adjustment clip here. If you don't see these, clips needs to be toggled on. So, when you make adjustments on the adjustment clip, those adjustments will be applied to all your footage underneath. So, if you increase your saturation for example, all clips will have more saturation. Here, if we disable the adjustment clip, you can see the difference. This applies for all clips. The final step, exporting. Here, you can find the export page. So in most cases, you want to render the entire timeline. Here, you can choose your destination folder. So, let's click on Browse. Let's go to Superball_DaVinci tutorial. Here, I'm going to create a new folder on my computer, named Exports. Let's give our export a name already, Export_Superball. Here, you can choose your format. QuickTime is a.mov, I will choose MP4. Here, in the codec, you can choose between these two. If you're doubting which one to get, here's a simple rule. The export needs to be played on old computers, choose H.264. The computer is modern, you want to have a smaller file size and better quality, choose H.265. Also, when you have glitches in one export, you can always try the other codec, and in most cases the problem will get solved. Then, in advanced settings, I check force sizing to highest quality, and force debare to highest quality. So, that's everything. You can even save these settings in a new preset, and then you'll find that here eventually. So now, you can click, Add to Render Queue. Then, you can find it here, in the render queue. Click Render All. And now, it's exporting. Once done, you can right-click here, Open File Location, and you will find your export here. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and don't forget to check Upbeat and Dehancer in the video description.